Hello, I'm Brian Tracy and welcome to the Brian Tracy Show. Today we have a remarkable man, David Lorms, who has a remarkable background both in business and in philanthropy, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he does and what he can do for you. David, welcome to the show. Thank you very
so
much for being
Brian.
here.
I appreciate it.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
Well, my name is David Lorms, and it depends on which one you're talking about because my dad's name is David Lorms too.
Right.
And so I grew up in a small town, and so at least someone knew one of us, a David Lorms. When I was younger and wanted to earn some money to get a new bike, my dad set me up with seeds, to sell seeds door to door. So imagine a 7-year-old going door to door selling flower seeds.
I did that one time, yes.
Well, and that started my career in sales.
Yeah.
So, and then I also used to help out with my church as a kid and with some of the elderly folks in the neighborhood. So that developed my interest in helping people. So I'm an insurance agent that gets to help people and through selling the appropriate insurance products at a fair price. So I get to use both experiences at the same time.
Wonderful. So what is your vision or mission, and why do you do this? What motivates you?
Well, I really think that my background in claims, I started off as a claims adjuster and then was a manager of a claims office, really gives my customer a unique perspective.
Yes.
Anyone can sell you insurance, but it's when you need to use it that you really count on having an expert to help you.
Yes.
In fact, I feel so strongly about that I roll all calls from my office to my cell phone. You can't predict when you have an accident, so you need to get in touch with your agent when you do. And I'm there for you. So I have that experience to give my customers that a lot of people don't have.
That's great. And you're with Farmers Insurance, which is one of the best companies in the world.
That's right. Farmers has given me the opportunity to not only sell products, but to build relationships with people. And that's what we do. We sell through relationships.
Now, David, you have some unique and special ways and products and services that you offer. What are they?
Well, one of the things that we like to do with our agency is give back to the community. And we have donated money to several elementary schools to create a perfect attendance award program. The state gives money to the schools based on attendance, but they don't give them money in the budget to incentivize the students. So by our donation, the school gets to incentivize the students to attend, and therefore they get more money. And you know, if they're in school, they're going to learn better. I also participate in parents' nights where I hand out free child safety information for parents who are new to the school system and to the area. I also participate in donating money to the local high school for an alcohol-free graduation party. So while this really isn't a service, it is a way that we can get our name out to the community and let them know that when they do business with us, the money comes back to them.
Well, that's wonderful. Now, you talked about being always available to clients who have insurance claims or problems. Can you tell us a story, like a pre and post story, of someone who this approach really helped that you remember from recently?
Absolutely. I got a call at midnight one night from someone who was stranded on the side of the road, and they called me, and like most people, you don't think about insurance until you have an incident. And so they didn't know what to do, who to call. And they didn't have any answers. So they called me on the spot, and being calm and collected, I knew exactly what to tell them, what to do. I got them in a rental car, their vehicle was towed, and they were on their way within an hour. And so had they had to wait for the next day, it would have been a big problem.
Wow. And of course, you're a co-author of The Change Agents with me and some of our other authors. That's wonderful.
Very honored.
Well, tell me, how can people contact you if they want to get more information about
Well,
you?
they can visit my website, lormsinsurance.com. Lorms Insurance Services.
Lorms, L-O-R-M-S Insurance.com.
Lormsinsuranceservices.com.
Okay, Lorms Insurance Services, and that's L-O-R-M-S Insurance Services. That's very important.
Yes, that's right.
Great.
And I'm all over the internet, so.
Well, that's wonderful. David, thank you very much for being here.
Appreciate your time.
This has really been great.
Thank you.
Thank you.